AI says we can safely harvest 21 birds. This is a small dome. The bigger ones go for miles.
There is a party tonight at Old Starship 116.
Time to take a shower.
Time to announce this month's winners of the Dome Awards. Let's hear it! And the winners are, you've secured third place in the market, joining giants like Medieval Times, whose theme shops. And the second place winner in the Aspen Ski Area skating competition is, yes, congratulations to skating. Toast to them.
This month's winner is Baseball Stadium. What a dome. See you next month.
This month's winner is Baseball Stadium. What a dome. See you next month.